Hi guys, this is part 5. I'm gonna use dupe colors for this video and I'm gonna explain how to render silk. Okay, so here I'm taking white and two shades of yellow ochre. So let's start. Yeah, now first of all I'm applying white color on highlighted areas. Look, to render a fabric correctly, you should know its nature. Okay, so here for example, imagine how silk looks in real. It has shine and it has a little texture in it. Right? So that's why I applied white color first, and after that I'm gonna apply yellow ochre. Now I am adding yellow ochre, which is the exact color of this saree. Keep merging it with white color a little bit. Don't merge it completely, okay? Just its edges. Hope you guys are noticing that I am not adding too much water in my colors because I don't want to make it smooth. I want to show a little bit of texture. So that's why. Now add darker shade of yellow ochre to add more depth and shadows. Merge it with the base like I'm doing here, like this. Now I'm making white blouse. Do you guys remember Deepika's look from her Bangalore reception? This is that same saree I'm rendering here. Now another trick that you guys can do with your glitter pens. Yeah. So take a rough paper and fill a box like this with a glitter pen, and now dampen your brush. Wait, yeah, like this, and take glitter from your paper and add it on your drawing. It will add a very subtle glow in your illustration and it will look really amazing. In the video you guys may not be able to see the change, but in real it is really looking spectacular. So try it once, then you guys will notice the difference. Now for outlining I am using 0.05 black micron pen, and after this I am gonna add more shadows and lights with the Staedtler's and white pen. And we are done. See, thank you so much guys, hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Keep practicing and love you all.